to renovate and why Regency's Hotel Group will manage the hotel ensuring Ozo and Obi of Ozubulu demonstrates harmonious collaboration initiating Chief Okwuchukwu Ekezie. The Ozo Society, otherwise known as the Abalanze Society, is one of the highest and most important spiritual, religious, and social grouping in the Ozo ecosystem. To become Ozo implies tied to and an ancestor. One then becomes the moral conscience of the community. The same adjudicator in cases of disputes within the community. The relationship also rests in the hands of subtitled for the maintenance of food and regulations of the town. This it is reflective on the increment of traditional activities that was overlooked over the years in some communities. Traditional activities that celebrated the Igbo heritage, like the initiation into the Nzenozo society in Ozobo community. The society held in high regard due to attributes of being honest and straightforward, with the responsibility of upholding the ethics and the norms of the society to eradicate abomination from the society. In this view, Chief Ezenanyalo, a member of the Nzenozo Society of Umunjoku Ozo, explains the process of initiating a worthy individual such as Chief Vincent Okwuchukwu Ekezie Akajugo into the Nzenozo Society in Ozobo. The month of January experienced the most longest celebration as the Nzenozo Society in Umunjoku Ozobo gathered to confer the chieftaincy title Akajugo on Chief Vincent Okwuchukwu Ekezie, and the title of Onodugo was conferred on his first son, Osusochukwu Ekezie. Chief Augustine Oranazeze, while celebrating his younger brother, harped on the qualities that led to his conferment. The event witnessed cultural displays, cultural dance. The celebrant, Chief Vincent Okwuchukwu Ekezie, who could not hide his happiness for the success of the event, expressed his profound gratitude to God.
Okay. I know I'm not supposed to be. I'm not going to jump. I'm going to work on it. Okay. I am bringing a lot of this.
Yes. He also appreciated the entire Ekezie family, his friends and associates for the support from Okwuchukwu, Obi Martin, Okwuchukwu Ekezie, reporting.
Listen to news updates.
Here you have it. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Airborne at the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Security operatives arrest popular native doctor in Anambra, Akwuchukwu. Abia State, RHG, sign agreement to revamp Enyimba Hotel Aba. Ozo and Obi Of Ozubulu demonstrates harmonious collaboration initiating Chief Okwuchukwu Ekezie. You just listened to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM news, produced and read by Martin Okwuchukwu Ekezie. Thank you for listening. Good morning.
Listen to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona, the FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM.
Hello. Your husband said we should call you and wish you a happy birthday and tell you that he loves you so much.
Oh, thank you so much. I love him so much. Thank you very much. You people have made my day.
Come on, make a wish and we make it come true. Wish someone special a happy birthday live on air. Join the birthday splash with Metal on Ebon 103.5 FM, 8 a.m. Monday to Fridays, and get trending gists and stories happening on the streets every day. Birthday splash for you and for all.
What is our turn?
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, see the subscribe button right here. You check this out. It's on Amazon.com. People can able call shop by your state. Martin, okay?